starting with a new topic, which is rejuvenation with orthodontics.
This was my message. Keep in touch and not to forget our roots. Diagnosis, diagnosis, diagnosis.
I'm happy to be here, and it's a new experience, and it's going to be a wonderful experience.
One of the conferences that I can always see a full house all the time.
Beginning with Professor Zeto, who transformed the society from a national group to an international well-known society.
The most important orthodontic congress of the year.
It's a huge event.
There's a lot of sharing knowledge with very super top speakers. This is going to be one of the most incredible events in Europe.
Everybody was listening, everybody was taking photographs. They were queuing in the back, so this is very, very rewarding for every speaker. It's extremely important to have this kind of international exchange. We have to build a community for the future.
The Congress is outstanding. I am sure that I will come back again.
Areo is evolving every year. I'm very glad that it is made in Romania, and it evolved a lot in the last years.
Great knowledge that was shared, lovely people.
Those meetings are key elements in our profession. For the benefit of our patients, it's a must.
Seeing what technology can bring us, seeing what new tools are available, it gives us the power of delivering more and more better smiles.
It's very important for you to be updated. Yes, the future is now.
Areo now is one of the best associations.
You get a chance to stay relevant in the orthodontic society.
The level of the orthodontics in Romania, I think, is very high. The progression of the orthodontics is huge.
Areo is this kind of meeting to share our knowledge.
This kind of events bring a lot of benefit, especially for the residents, for the young specialists.
Thank you for giving me the opportunity to present my work, and hope to see you next year in Liège 2025.